Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Mariam, a Notion template creator, and I'm from India. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use this Notion template. So now we are in the Notion template Muslim dashboard. So first, let us see the content table on the right hand side. When you move your cursor on the right hand side, you will see the lines here. On that line, you can see all the content you have in this template: daily trackers, Jummah tracker, prayer timings, Islamic calendar goals, classes, Allah's night and Neem, and other Islamic special days, all those things. So let us first see what are there in the daily trackers. So here in this template, 4 trackers are there: prayer tracker, Quran recitation tracker, Askar tracker. And in Askar, there we have 2 trackers, that is Askar after Salah and morning evening Askar. In prayer tracker, we have Fajr, Tahajjud, Asr, Zuhur, Maghrib, Isha, all the trackers, and a menstruation button also. If you have prayed the Fajr prayer, you can simply click on that. If you have prayed Asr prayer, simply click on that. Similar to prayer tracker, we have Quran recitation tracker, Askar tracker, and morning and evening Askar tracker. First, let us see how it will work. Now we have a few of these buttons. Simply check. Okay. So you can see here we have checked the Fajr. So the checkbox is checked, and the Asr and the checkbox is checked. In this trackers, we have 4 views, 2 calendar views and 2 streak views. This one is a year tracker. You will year streak. You get the data of the whole year, on which day you have trade and which day you didn't trade. And this is the month streak. Here you will see only this month tracker, and this is a month, but in the calendar view you can see the whole month in a calendar view. So then moving to next, and this is the week calendar. Here you see the week. Okay, and let us know to the next part of this video. And here we have Quran recitation tracker. Here also I have divided Quran recitation into 6 parts. Like after Tahajjud, I will pray 5 ayah. After the Fajr, I will pray 5 ayah. And after the prayer, I will recite 5 ayah, similar to Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. One thing I have missed there. In here, you can see a menstruation button. If a female is using this button, she can simply click on that. So she can track her menstruation. So this should understand on that day she didn't create because of the periods, like this. If you want to delete this, you simply click on that and click on the into mark. It will disappear. Okay. And let us continue the video. And this prayer tracker, Quran recitation tracker also, you get all these buttons. Simply click on that. If you have read you have recited it at place. Otherwise, leave it. See, I have recited after Fajr, I have recited after Zuhur, I have recited after Asr. If you want, you can change this also. If you you want to recite the Quran only after Fajr and Isha, but in more quantity, like you want to recite a half surah or 3 pages or 4 pages, according to that, you can change this. Here also you get 4 views, 2 calendar views and 2 streak views, like this. And this is a month view, month calendar view, and this is the week calendar view. Let's move to the next part. In the next part, Askar after Salah. Here we will see first. There are some list of Askars you should recite after each prayer, like Ayatul Kursi, 3 Quls, and the specific ayah after Maghrib and Fajr prayer and other stuffs. And here also you get 4 views, 2 calendar views and 2 streak views, similar to prayer tracker and Quran tracker. And here in morning Askar view, let us click on that and then see. Okay, here also both are checked. If you want to uncheck, you can uncheck it. Here also you have 2 calendar views. One is for week, one is for month, and 2 streak view. One is for month, one is for year. Let's move to the next part. Similar to daily trackers, we also have a Friday tracker. Let me check few of the boxes, like reading Quran, sending salutation, reading Surah Kahf, doing lots of dua between Asr and Maghrib, miswak, bath, wearing nice clothes, wearing perfume, cutting nails. Okay, let us see all those are checked or not. Okay, see. We have checked one important thing. This will work, this particular page will work only on Fridays. Other than Friday, if you click on that buttons, it will not check any box. Okay, and move to the next one. And here we have classes and goal and Allah's 99 name. Let me show you Quran tafsir class how this page is. Like, you have the name of instructor, detail of the instructor, and the links you can write here. As the page name says, every Monday at 4:30 p.m. Every Monday, a new column is added here, so that you can see you didn't started that class. If you have in progress, then click on progress. If you have done the class, you can simply click and say it done like this. Okay. And if you have any quiz or test, you can write here. If you are in progress of square number 14, you can simply move it to the done part after completing it. And you have done with these things. Okay. And test also similar. And other supplementary sources you can collect here, like like links, and like the book names or other supplementary sources, and you can write the notes here. Okay, how to change this Monday to any other, you will get in the tutorial of this template. Okay, tutorial section. Okay, and next, this is also similar to this class only, and if you have any goals, you can write here and write your goals, how that goal is going. I see. If you had to memorize a one dua per week, every week you will uh, get a column and check the box and write the dua what you have memorized in this week, and check the box if you have didn't memorize the dua, leave it. Okay. And similar to that, other goals also work. Other goal pages also, like Allah's 99 names. If you have memorized five names of Allah, then try the names of Allah and then check the box. If you didn't memorize, leave as it is. Okay. And in those also you have four views. Okay, like in trackers. And in Allah's 99 names, after clicking that, you can see a name list will be appear like this. We have a table having Arabic names of Allah. In English also the names are present and the meaning of the names also there. In the at the last, we get a YouTube video, and that you can listen to Allah's 99 names, and this video is without music. Okay, only the vocal. And others what you have, and this is and at the last you have this video. If you don't want to go into the page and listen to Allah's name, you can directly listen the Allah's name from here only, from the front page. Okay. And extra what you have in this page is some ayat from the Quran here and here, and you have a Islamic calendar. Here you can see and here are Islamic special days, like upcoming days which are important in Islam or Deen. It is Ramadan, Laylatul Qadr, Eid al-Fitr. All these are upcoming important days, and it is you can change this by seeing the tutorial. And here it is clock wedge, the time, and at the last you have a tutorial of how to change date and time in the class that I mentioned before, and it is how to add a new class or goal into your class list or goal list, and how to change the location in the prayer timing bar. These three you will get.